Yah does everything with purpose and on purpose. Every major event in the Bible has occurred on a feast day. Let's explore the events that occurred on Nisan 17. Nisan 17 corresponds with the Feast of First Fruits. According to Genesis 4, Noah's Ark safely rested on Mount Ararat. In Exodus 12:2, the month of Nisan, formerly the month of Abib, became the first month of the year. The Hebrew people entered Egypt on Nisan 17, according to Exodus 12:40-41. Moses led the Hebrew people through the parting of the sea in Exodus 3. Israel entered the Promised Land in Joshua 5. Hezekiah cleansed the temple on Nisan 17 in 2 Chronicles 29. Queen Esther saved the Jews in Esther 3. And the resurrection of Mashiach, Jesus, on Nisan 17, who is the first fruit. So please tell me which of y'all's feasts were fulfilled on December 25th.